What a menace.
My nail tech knows how to keep a little secret. I don't wish for my success, I speak it. I caught a buzz and you did too, you tweak it. I look like
Hailings everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing some polygel nails from the Beetles company. This is what the packaging looks like, and I'm going to be showing you everything that comes in the box. I will link them in the description box below. So it comes with 6 different colored polygels. It also came with some nail forms. You have some stiletto nail forms, and you have some long square nail forms that you can customize to your liking. Also, it came with a base coat. It also came with a top coat, and it came with this nice tool that is dual ended. I didn't realize it was dual ended till the end. It has a brush on the one end and it has a cuticle pusher on the other end. It also came with this neat little LED lights that you can just plug in and cure your nails. So I thought that was really cool, and you know, that's the cord that came with it. So we are going to be starting. So what I'm doing now is just clipping my nails. I'm just using my nail clipper to clip my nails to my desired length. Now you can determine how low you want to go, but I just wanted to clip off all my nails and start fresh. Guys, if you're liking the video so far, don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and give me a big thumbs up, and let me know in the comment section below if you've ever tried polygel nails. Alright, so now that my nails are freshly cut, I am going to be using my emery board and just shaping them, you know, just to be neat with the whole process. I didn't want to slapdash this process in any way, shape or form. So I am just shaping my nails, ensuring that the edges are smooth. Then I'm taking my cuticle pusher, because remember, I didn't know that the tool had dual ended. It had a cuticle pusher on the end of it. I didn't know. So I'm pushing back my cuticles, and I'm using this tool to kind of cut off my cuticles. I don't know what this tool is called. If you guys know what it's called, let me know in the comment section below. But I just call it a cuticle remover, I guess, because that's essentially what it does. So I am going in all of my nails, and I am pushing them back with my cuticle pusher, and then I'm going to be using my cuticle remover to just scrape them off and, you know, let my nails be as neat as possible. Now this step is optional. A lot of persons opt to keep their cuticles, and I'm aware of that, but for this round I didn't want to keep my cuticles. I just wanted to remove them, and I find that this way is the easiest way for me to remove them. So now I'm testing my nails on the nail form, and I am checking to see if I can find a form that fits my nail perfectly, which is essential because you don't want the polygel to be on your skin. So I'm going in with the base coat now. The instructions are very easy and simple to follow, so I'm following the instructions, and it says that you are to go in with the base coat and apply a thin layer onto your nails, and after applying the thin layer you are going to be curing them. Guys, remember, I am not a professional nail tech. I am just doing this as a beginner, so please, you know, if you have any suggestions, of course leave them in the comment section, but don't be rude. This is a beginner DIY project. All right, so each one teach one. Leave your suggestions and your comments in the comment section below. So I am applying 2 coats of the base coat, and I am curing them under the LED lights. It didn't have a timer or anything, so you just press the button and it's on, and this is what it's looking like, nice and shiny. So I decided that I was going to go in with this nude color. I think it's color number 5. I don't remember right now, but I wanted to do something natural and new with something that would match my skin color, because I just wanted to have nude nails. Just to be honest, I just wanted new nails. So I'm taking the base coat and I'm applying it in this little jar that they provided, because I'm going to be using the base coat to help me to form the polygel onto the nail forms. So I selected my nail forms and I am applying the polygel with the end of that stick, and I am using the base coat to kind of form the polygel, flatten it out and ensure it's neat and nice on the nail, and then I'm going to be applying that to my nails. Now, this is my first time trying polygel nails, and to be honest, I think I do like the process. I mean, it's simple enough. I do like the results, which you will see in a little while. I would definitely recommend polygel nails to every beginner. It was much easier to do than dip nails, in my opinion. If you agree with me, let me know in the comment section below. But at this point, I just attached the nail form with the polygel onto my nail, and then I'm curing it underneath the light, and voila, just like that, you have a simple, nice, neat nail extension. And I was feeling myself. I really like the way how it looked, and I was really excited to continue. So all you see me doing is applying some polygel to the nail form. There are lots of ways how you can apply polygel. This is just how I decided that I wanted to apply it. I'm using the base coat to kind of smooth out the polygel so that it can go on smoothly on my nail. If there's any excess, I'm using my brush to kind of wipe off the excess, because I don't want it to cure on my skin. That is going to be a big problem, trust me. Then I am curing it underneath the lamp, and then after the timer is complete, you just remove the nail form and you have a nail extension. Quick, simple, easy. Like I said before, I really liked the process. I like the process. It's easy. But because it was my first time, it took me a long time to get done. I'm pretty sure it took me like 5 hours to do, which is understandable when you're doing something for the first time. It's not going to be easy peasy. So at the end of the day, I really like the result. I really like the way how it turned out. One thing I forgot to do, which is a tip for you guys, if you guys want to try this, when you smooth out the polygel onto the nail form and you attach the polygel to your own natural nail and you're wiping off the excess on top, do not neglect the bottom, because I didn't remember to turn over my hands and smooth out the polygel underneath my nails. So underneath my nails were so chunky, like it was just unbearable. I didn't like that. I forgot to do that because I watch a lot of tutorials on YouTube, and they did say that you need to smooth out underneath, but I totally forgot. I was in such a high moment trying these polygel nails. So guys, if you're gonna try it, don't forget to smooth out the nail underneath your nails. So this is what they're looking like. Nice, it's looking neat, it's looking decent. I really liked it. So now I'm going in with my emery board and I am shaping it to my desired shape. I really just wanted short, square nails. I don't like long nails, but I don't like nails in general, but I do like the whole look of nails. You know, it makes you look really put together, really neat, and I can appreciate a style like this. So I'm doing short, square nails, and this is what they are looking like after filing them down. They're looking really good. They're looking really neat. I'm looking like a hot girl. So now I am using my top coat. I don't know why I didn't use the top coat provided, but I just decided to use my top coat. Oh yeah, remember, I didn't use their top coat because I wasn't sure if it was gonna leave a stickiness to it. So I just used my top coat, and I applied a thin layer on all of my nails, and then I went ahead and cured them, and they came out really good, which you will see in the next clip. But I really did enjoy this process. Like I said, I will be linking the kit that I used in the description box below, so if you're interested, you can check it out. If you have not subscribed already, be sure to subscribe for more videos. Let me know your thoughts on this whole polygel process in the comment section below. Let me know if you've ever tried polygel nails before and if you like them. Thank you guys so much for watching. These are the results. Let me know your thoughts on the results. And as always, enough love, big up yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.